Chapter 7. Cloud Architecture and Services. In today's digital world, cloud computing has become an essential part of how we store, access, and share information. This chapter explains what cloud computing is, its types, benefits, and service models. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the Internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. It is the technology that provides resources by minimizing the expenses and risks. Resources includes email messages, schedules, music, photos, websites, storage, and more. Services include accessing software and storing files online. Test your knowledge. Where do you usually save your homework, photos or videos, on your phone, computer or pen drive? What will you do if you want to see those photos or files from another computer or phone? How do you share files with your friends or teachers? Cloud storage is an internet service that provides storage facility to computer users. Some of these resources and services are free and some are paid. With cloud computing, users can access files and use applications from any device that can access the Internet. Types of cloud. Cloud computing can be public, private, hybrid, and community. Public cloud. Public clouds are owned and operated by third-party cloud service providers, which deliver their computing resources like servers and storage over the Internet. Microsoft Azure is an example of a public cloud. With a public cloud, all hardware, software, and other supporting infrastructure is owned and managed by the cloud provider. You access these services and manage your account using a web browser. Private cloud. A private cloud refers to cloud computing resources used exclusively by a single business or organization. A private cloud can be physically located in the company's on-site data center. Some companies also pay third-party service providers to host their private cloud. A private cloud is one in which the services and infrastructure are maintained on a private network. Types of cloud. Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud, hybrid cloud. Hybrid clouds combine public and private clouds, bound together by technology that allows data and applications to be shared between them. By allowing data and applications to move between private and public clouds, a hybrid cloud gives your business greater flexibility, more deployment options, and helps optimize your existing infrastructure, security, and compliance. Community cloud. In community cloud, the services are offered to a group of organizations or community with common interests. Top benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing is the current hype of the IT industry. It is a big shift from the traditional way businesses think about IT resources. Here are 7 common reasons organizations are turning to cloud computing services. Cost. Cloud computing eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware and software and setting up and running on-site data centers, the racks of servers, the round-the-clock electricity for power and cooling, and the IT experts for managing the infrastructure. It adds up fast. Speed. Most cloud computing services are provided self-service and on demand, so even vast amounts of computing resources can be provisioned in minutes, typically with just a few mouse clicks, giving businesses a lot of flexibility and taking the pressure off capacity planning. Global scale. The benefits of cloud computing services include the ability to scale elastically. In cloud speak, that means delivering the right amount of IT resources, for example, more or less computing power, storage and bandwidth, right when they are needed and from the right geographic location. Productivity. On-site data centers typically require a lot of racking and stacking, hardware setup, software patching, and other time-consuming IT management chores. Cloud computing removes the need for many of these tasks, so IT teams can spend time on achieving more important business goals. Performance. The biggest cloud computing services run on a worldwide network of secure data centers, which are regularly upgraded to the latest generation of fast and efficient computing hardware. This offers several benefits over a single corporate data center, including reduced network latency for applications and greater economies of scale. Reliability. Cloud computing makes data backup, disaster recovery, and business continuity easier and less expensive because data can be mirrored at multiple redundant sites on the cloud provider's network. Security. Many cloud providers offer a broad set of policies, technologies, and controls that strengthen your security posture overall, helping protect your data, apps, and infrastructure from potential threats. Cloud service models. Cloud computing is not a single piece of technology like a microchip or a cell phone. Rather, it's a system primarily comprised of three services: Software as a Service, SaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, and Platform as a Service, PaaS. Software as a Service, SaaS, involves the licensure of a software application to customers. Licenses are typically provided through a pay-as-you-go model or on-demand. This type of system can be found in Microsoft Office 365. Platform as a Service, PaaS, is considered the most complex of the three layers of cloud-based computing. PaaS shares some similarities with SaaS, the primary difference being that instead of delivering software online, it is actually a platform for creating software that is delivered via the Internet. This model includes platforms like Salesforce.com and Heroku. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, involves a method for delivering everything from operating systems to servers and storage through IP-based connectivity as part of an on-demand service. Clients can avoid the need to purchase software or servers and instead procure these resources in an outsourced, on-demand service. Popular examples of the IaaS system include IBM Cloud and Microsoft Azure. Uses of cloud computing. If you use an online service to send an email, edit documents, watch movies or TV, listen to music, play games, or store pictures and other files, it's likely that cloud computing is making it all possible behind the scenes. The first cloud computing services are barely a decade old, but already a variety of organizations, from tiny startups to global corporations, government agencies to non-profits, are embracing the technology for all sorts of reasons. Flickr provides cloud to upload images on its server. Google Docs is used to create documents online. Here are a few examples of what's possible today with cloud services from a cloud provider. Create cloud-native applications. Quickly build, deploy, and scale applications, web, mobile, and API. Take advantage of cloud-native technologies and approaches such as containers, Kubernetes, microservices architecture, API-driven communication, and DevOps. Test and build applications. Reduce application development costs and time by using cloud infrastructures that can easily be scaled up or down. Store, backup, and recover data. Protect your data more cost-efficiently and at a massive scale by transferring your data over the Internet to an off-site cloud storage system that's accessible from any location and any device. Analyze data. Unify your data across teams, divisions, and locations in the cloud. Then use cloud services such as machine learning and artificial intelligence to uncover insights for more informed decisions. Stream audio and video. Connect with your audience anywhere, anytime on any device with high-definition video and audio with global distribution. Embed intelligence. Use intelligent models to help engage customers and provide valuable insights from the data captured. Deliver software on demand. Also known as Software as a Service (SaaS), on-demand software lets you offer the latest software versions and updates around to customers anytime they need them, anywhere they are. Recapitulate. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the Internet. With a public cloud, all hardware, software, and other supporting infrastructure is owned and managed by the cloud provider. A private cloud can be physically located in the company's on-site data center. Cloud computing is a big shift from the traditional way businesses think about IT resources. Services of cloud computing are software, platform, and infrastructure. Gloss GPT. Optimize, rearrange or rewrite data, software, etc. to improve the efficiency of retrieval or processing. Redundant, able to be omitted without loss of meaning or function. Unify, make united, uniform or whole.